We all have goals when we go to the gym, and sometimes reaching those goals is all about doing the most with your time when you're at the gym. So, check out these tips on how to maximize your workout. First, mix things up and try a new type of exercise. Variation can help you maximize how many muscles you're working.
You'll find that because you're tapping into an area that is unfamiliar, your body is going to work a little bit more harder, possibly tapping into a muscle group that you've never actually worked before, so your body's gonna experience something new.
Next, try to keep your heart pumping with minimal rest breaks.
Keeping your heart rate elevated the entire time is essential to burning a lot more calories. And you'll find that your workouts will then be more effective. You'll see better results. So try to get your breaks to a very minimum.
And finally,
everything starts from the core, right?
That's right. Make sure you're working your core every time you go to the gym. A strong, healthy core is a great building block to help you reach your other health goals.
You're gonna see results quicker the more time you spend on your core. It's essential to keep that strong and better body, better health, better living.
Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.